Not sure what's taking up space or slowing down your Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let's quickly check your storage and RAM. Start by opening Settings, then tap on Device Care. Now, go into Storage. Here you'll see your total storage, how much is used, and a breakdown like apps, photos, videos, and system files. You can free up space by deleting unused apps, large files, or duplicates. Then go back and tap on Memory. This shows your RAM usage in real time, like how much is being used and how much is available. You can tap Clean Now to close background apps and free up RAM instantly. Also, you might see RAM Plus. This uses a part of your storage as virtual RAM to help with multitasking, but it doesn't replace your actual RAM. That's it. A quick check like this can keep your phone running smooth and clutter-free. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.